Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ClickUp for project management at work step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the ClickUp website. Once there, click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in your details, including your email address and password. You can also sign up using Google or Apple for convenience. After creating an account, check your email for a verification link. Click the link to verify your account. Once verified, log into your ClickUp account. You'll be greeted with a welcome message and a brief introduction. Next, ClickUp will ask for some information about your team. Specify the size of your team and your primary use case. After providing this information, click Next. Now, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Here, you can begin customizing your workspace. Navigate to the Spaces section on the left sidebar. Click on plus New Space to create a new workspace for your project. Enter a name for your space and select a color theme. Next, determine whether your space is private or public. Once you've made your selections, click Create Space. After your space is created, you can start adding projects. Click on the plus New Folder option to organize your projects. Give your folder a tentative name and set permissions as needed. Inside the folder, click plus New List to create a new project list. Name your project and set a start and due date if applicable. Now, you can add tasks to your project list. Click on plus New Task and enter the task details. Assign the task to a team member if necessary. Specify due dates and priority levels for better management. You can also add descriptions and comments for clarity. Next, consider setting up views to organize your workflow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.